Howdy, happy campers. JT here, and it's another fine day out here in Southwest Oklahoma. Well, I was debating whether to do the sequential turn signals or the bumper plugs, and so I thought I'd make the bumper plugs first and do the video on the sequential turn signals later on. And with that in mind, what I'm going to show you in this video is how to cover up those holes on your bumpers, especially where they put the license plate, maybe in the front or the back, and you don't want to show it anymore or relocate your license plate. Those holes you're going to see, we're going to plug it up, show you how I do it. There's different ways other people have done it, and this is my way. So stay tuned and enjoy. I'm going to break down the video in different parts so you can get to it and just do what you want to do without wasting your time. You can either watch over the practice or just do straight right on the bumper itself and go from there. There's no need to subscribe or smash that button or do anything else. Just enjoy, learn something from the video, and go from there. And enough jibber jabber, let's get to it. And here's what the area looks like, typical of the bumper. As you can see, mine is gloss black. There's the holes of the license plate holder. Back up to give you an idea what it looks like. And as you get closer here, of course you want to prep the area first. Use a rag, microfiber cloth, alcohol, whatever you use for a cleaner.
All that, all right? So let's do the drilling first.
We just want to expand that hole a little larger to make it cleaner. So get a good firm grip, and it's going to be nice and slow, just like that. And then when you pull it out, pull it straight out. You don't want to cause any collateral damage around the surrounding area. Just like that. Okay. So now you want to try the other side. Nice and easy. All right. Take off the excess there. And that's so you can see, I'm trying to push in the excess in. Some people, they scalp it. That means taking off the excess. And since I'm a greenhorn and don't want to scratch my angel, I just take it easy, the safe way out, by pushing it in as much as possible. Keep in mind, if you ever want to take it off, you could. You could redo it. It's perfectly normal and it's possible. You just have to take your time and take it off, back off with no problem. What I'm doing here, as you can see, is trial and error. Like in the military, when we do movement to contact, we'll see what happens. Because after you make contact, you just react.
And I hope I don't have to use the mallet, because I don't really want to bang on this one. All right, let's see if it works. I hope so. The old saying goes, if it don't fit, don't force it too much. Bendable the other on the bend. So I just want to get little by little, making it just a little wider. That's all I want to do. Just a little wider, but not too much. Start again. that felt like it gave in. There. I don't know if it bent. Seems to be okay, but it's sticking out too much. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, it's in. There you go. As you see, it's sticking out. Okay, whether you want that or not, well, let me see. Remember, you could always take it out and just do the bondo, but I don't think you want to do that. At least I didn't have to use the mallet. I don't really feel like pounding on it. Okay. Go. Still not as flat. So we got two options here. We could pull it out and try to get it in more, or leave it the way it is. Alright. And since I'm a little scaredy cat, I think I'll leave it there because it's pretty good. Okay, it's not really that bad. Alright, I mean, if worst comes to worst, I could always take it off later on down the road and redo it. So, that's the hard part. Let's get her painted. That's the one we did there. Okay, just like that. Alright, or I might even use this. I think I might use this one here. Okay, because it's a little closer. And I don't get any paint on the other ones. Then I'll just pull it straight out. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Put it over there, like that. Okay, one more. I might let it dry, come back and put another coat on there, just to see. All right, and all we're doing is just trying to blend it in. There you go. All right, trying to blend it in with others. Okay, let's do this one here. First one coat, and the other one. So what I think I'll do is, I'll let it dry, come back here in 15 minutes, and do it again with a new brush. And here we go. One last coat, and then that will be it. We'll leave it drying overnight and check it out tomorrow in the sun to see how she looks. All right, check out our handwork, just like any painter. So again, our new paintbrush. You know, I'm not gonna use that old one. There it is. All right, put on it nice and easy, just like that. Take it off. Okay, and the next side. For all I know, I might have dabbed it too much, but hey. All right. Oh, there we go. I could tell I smeared that one. So hopefully I don't put too much. I felt it when I pulled it off. Okay, so let's put that down. Let's put it straight up. All right, now let's leave it drying overnight. See how she looks tomorrow. All right, that's about it, boys and girls. Okay, just like that. Okay, you know, just a little piece of wood there, throw it away. Once I get that aside, that there, and then let's get it set up. Put it on here, just like that. Okay. And you just put it on top like this. Okay. This is an enamel. Okay. So I'm going to put this on. This is a test tour. Wanted to just do a gloss black enamel. I got this before and I've tried it. Toyota, Lexus, lacquer touch-up paint, but it's so dull. And I mean, it might be good if your bumper or a trim is like matte. Okay, but if it's glossy, this is the best one to use. Okay, so we're going to use that. Shake it up a little bit. Like I said, these two here, just so you know, I'll put it here. These two I've done already, okay? So I'm going to put some more here. And basically what I want to do is see which one might last. That's all. Okay, let's open that up. Again, here's the materials I use. Of course, my drill here. Then you got a 13/16 drill bit. You got a 3/8 drill bit right there. That's what I use to mark the hole so I can go over and paint it without painting the rest of the car bumper. Okay, of course you got your paint. This is an enamel that I use. All right, can't remember. After videos of what it looks like. This is how it is. This is after 2 weeks because I wanted to see whether washing it would take it off or any damages, or but other than that it seems fine. Just to give you how it looks overhead. All right, like I said, you know, it just fill in the holes. If you want it flush, the only way is of course to sand everything down, bond it, but I'm not gonna go through all that. But it still looks good. Unless you're afar, it's not gonna be noticeable. All right, so that's the job. All right, here's another look from the sun hitting it, just to give you all an idea whether you want to do it or not. And that's how it looks from the side here. Alright, I'll tell you, see, it's sticking out a little bit right there. Alright, but nothing major. I'm fine with it. Again, I don't want to sand it down or anything. That's from the top view. Okay, this is from the front. Okay, again, it's not obvious. You can't really tell. Yeah, when you get up to it, you can see, okay, the points, the nipples, whatever you want to call it. Other than that, it looks good. I'm happy with it. Have a nice day.